Hello everyone, my name is Sarfraz and today we are going to complete another lesson. The title of the lesson you can see on the face of it. This is written by Susan Hill. Here you can see this is a play featuring an old man, a small boy meeting in the farmer's garden. The old man strikes up a friendship. Strikes up means just started a friendship. He befriends with the boy who is very withdrawn and defiant. What is the bond that unites the two? कौन से ऐसा बॉन्ड था जो उन दोनों को एक जगह जोड़ा? Okay, so this is a very interesting story we are going to complete. Okay, next there are 2 or 3 scenes. Okay, so we will complete the first scene. Scene 1. Mr. Lamb's garden. There is an occasional sound of bird song and of tree leaves rustling. There his footsteps are heard as he walks slowly and tentatively through the long grass. So Mr. Lamb's garden. There is a garden of Mr. Lamb. Who is Mr. Lamb? Who is Mr. Lamb? Mr. Lamb is a person who is handicapped. Okay, and he's having garden, and in that garden the apples are there, and the boy daddy is going to enter in that garden, and there are long grasses in the garden. He pauses, then walks again. He comes round a screen of bushes. So there were not only trees, bushes were also there, weeds were there, so that when Mr. Lamb speaks to him, he is close at hand, and daddy is startled. Startled means what? Startled means you can say surprised. Okay, then now there is a dialogue. Mr. Lamb, mind the apples, just look at the apples. Daddy, what? Who's that? Who's there? Mr. Lamb, Lamb's my name. So here you can see the syntax. Lamb's my name. Mind the apple. Crab apples those are. So those are crab apples. Wind falls in the long grass. You could trip. You can just move around in that garden. You can find the crab apples over there. Daddy says, there. I thought this was an empty place. I didn't know there was anybody here. I thought that there is no one in the garden. But you are here. What's your name? So he already said that my name is Lamb. Now, next page. Mr. Lamb says, that's all right. I'm here. What are you afraid of, boy? That's all right. I thought it was an empty. Daddy says, I thought it was empty. An empty house, I suppose. I guessed. Mr. Lamb says, so it is. Since I'm out here in the garden, it is empty until I go back inside. In the meantime, I'm out here and likely to stop. A day like this, beautiful day, not a day of indoors. So this is a very interesting, very pleasant day, and that's why I'm not in the I'm not in the room. I'm outside of the room. Okay, so this is not a time, not a day to be indoors. Daddy says, panic. He's afraid. I have got to go. I don't want to talk to anybody. Mr. Lamb, not on my account. I don't mind who comes into the garden. The gate's always open. Only you climb the garden wall. Only you climb the garden wall, Mr. Lamb says. Daddy says angrily, you were watching me? Huh? I was just coming into your garden. I was intruding in your garden. Okay, I was I was just creeping in your garden. But you have seen. Mr. Lamb says, I saw you. Yes, I saw you. But the gate's open. All are welcome. You are welcome. I sit here. I like sitting. Very interesting line. Mr. Lamb says, I like sitting. Daddy says, come to steal anything? I had not come to steal anything. Okay, I am not here to steal anything. Mr. Lamb says, no. The young lads steal. Scrump the apples. You are not so young. So you are not so young means many lads are coming and they are stealing the crab apples and they are scrumping the apples, but you are not like them. You are not so young. Okay. Next. Daddy says, I just wanted to come into the garden, so you did. Here we are, then. Daddy says, you don't know who I am. Mr. Lamb, a boy, 13 or so, might be your, yes, you are a teen, okay, 13, you have completed only 13 or so. Daddy says 14. Pause. So he paused for some while, okay, for a while, but I have got to go now. Goodbye. Daddy says goodbye. Why? Daddy doesn't like to talk to anybody, any strangers, especially in particular. Okay. Mr. Lamb says, nothing to be afraid of. Just a garden, just me. We two are here. What is there to afraid of? Daddy says, but I'm not. I'm not afraid. People are afraid of me. A very interesting line. You know, the people are afraid of the handicapped persons. Okay, that's why he says, I am not afraid of the people are afraid of me. Mr. Lamb says, why should that be? ऐसा क्यों है? Why should that be? Daddy says, everyone is same, everyone is thinking like same, you know, everyone is same, they are alike. It doesn't matter who they are or what they say or how they look or how they pretend. I know, I can see, I can observe them, that the people don't like me, the people don't like to come. Okay. Mr. Lamb, see what they see. Daddy says, what they think. Mr. Lamb, what do they think then? Okay, not saying, thinking. So tell me what they think about you. What they think. Okay. Mr. Lamb says, Daddy says, you think, here is a boy, you look at me, and then you see my face and you think, that's bad, that's a terrible thing. You can see my face. That's the ugliest thing I ever saw in the mirror. You think, poor boy, but I am not poor. Underneath, you are afraid. Anybody would be afraid, okay? Anybody can be afraid of me. I am. When I look in the mirror, I see it and I am afraid of me. So even I am afraid of me. You can see the line, very interesting philosophical line, that the people who are having burnt faces, or the girls who are being attacked by some miscreants, or you can say very bad people or evil boys, they are throwing the acids on the face. Okay, so you can see what they think, what's their pain. You can imagine, okay, you can feel. Let's see in the next page. Mr. Lamb, no, not the whole of you. Yes, might be your face is a little bit disfigured, but not whole of you, not of you. Beauty resides inside, not outside. Daddy says, what Daddy says? Mr. Lamb? Daddy says, yes, Mr. Lamb, later on, when it's a bit cooler, I'll get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples. They are ripe for it. I make jelly. It's a good time of year, September. Look at them. So we have to memorize the month September. Look at them. Orange, golden, that's magic fruit. That's magic fruit. What he says? That's magic fruit. Okay. Often say, but it's picked and made into jelly. You could give me a hand. You can help me. Okay. Daddy says, what have you changed the subject for? We were talking about my face, but you have changed the subject. You started talking about your apples. You started appreciating your apples. You started telling that your apples are magic apples or magic fruit. And what? Why have you changed the subject? People always do that. Not only you, the people, all the people are alike. Why don't you ask me? Why do you do what they all do and pretend it is not true and it is not there? In case I see you looking and mind and get upset, I'll tell you, you don't ask me because you are afraid to ask. मुझे पता, you will never ask such a questions that why am I afraid of me, or why the people are afraid of me, and why am I so? You can't answer, you can't ask. Okay. Mr. Lamb, you want me to ask? Say so then. Okay. You want me to ask? तुम चाहते हो मैं पूछूं? Yes, okay. Then carry on. Daddy, I don't like being with people, any people, even you. I don't like being with people. You can see the mindset, you can see the attitude of the people who are handicapped, who are having disfigured face, or you can say the burnt face, or the acid attacked, yes, burnt faces, you can say. Mr. Lamb, I should say, to look at it, I should say, you got burned in a fire. Daddy says, not in a fire. Not in a fire. I got acid all down that side of my face. That side of my face. That side of my face. And it burned it all away. It ate my face up. It ate me up. Not only my face, even me, it ate me up. And now it's like this, and it won't be very different. I'll never be so pretty, I'll never be so handsome like you. Your face is not burnt. You're having some different liabilities or inabilities, but I'm having a burnt face. No one wants to talk to me. Even the people, even the children, even I am afraid of my face whenever I see in the mirror. So this is the dialogue of Daddy. Now next page. Mr. Lamb, no. Aren't you interested? Aren't you interested? Mr. Lamb, you are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. I'm interested. I'm interested of. I'm interested of. I'm interested. Okay. You are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. I'm interested in anybody, anything. There's nothing God made that doesn't interest me. Look over there. Look. Look over there. Over beside the far wall. What can you see? So this is also a very philosophical line told by Mr. Lamb. What he says? Plenty do. I'm interested in anybody, anything. There's nothing God made that doesn't interest me. You can see the line. There is nothing in this world in which Mr. Lamb is not interested. Everything. He's interested in everything. Daddy says, rubbish. Rubbish. Look, boy, look. What do you see? Daddy says, just grass and stuff. Weeds are there. Okay. Mr. Lamb, here also you will see the beauty of the nature. Some call them weeds if you like. Then a weed garden. Then there is a fruit, and there are flowers and trees and herbs, all sorts. But over there, weeds I grow. Weeds there. Why is one green growing plant called a weed? And why another plant is called flower? Where's the difference? It's all life, growing, same as you and me. Just like you and me. So all the things, or all the herbs, or all the bushes, or all the trees, or all the flowers, we are naming them. The weeds are those grass that are unnecessary. They are just grown up, okay, by itself or by themselves. But we are calling some plants as a flower and some green growing plants as a weed. We should not make any difference. It's life, all life growing, same as you and me. Daddy, we are not the same. Who says that we are same? We are not the same. I'm old, you are young. Mr. Lamb says, I am old, you are young, you have got a burnt face, I have got a thin leg. Not important. You are standing there, I am sitting here. Where's the difference? You are having another handicap, something that is really, and I am having a thin leg. So both are having some shortcomings, you can say. Not important. You are standing there, I am sitting here. Where's the difference? Daddy says, why have you got in thin leg? So now Daddy is so curious to know about Mr. Lamb. So here you can see he is taking interest in talking with Mr. Lamb. So Mr. Lamb, you can see one of the great a positive thinker, or you can say positivist. Mr. Lamb says, real one got blown off years back. I was having my leg, but that leg was blown off years back. Lammy lamb, some kids say. So some kids say are just disturbing me or annoying me by calling lammy lamb, lammy lamb. So, haven't you heard them? You will, lammy lamb. It fits, doesn't trouble me. If anyone is telling me langra, so I am langra. If someone is telling me kanwa, so I am kanwa, like that. So if someone is telling you a black, so you are a black. It doesn't trouble me. What Mr. Lamb says? Mr. Lamb says the same. It fits. I am lamb. So that's why they are calling lammy lamb. My name is lamb, but they are calling me lammy lamb. It doesn't trouble me. It doesn't trouble me a little. Daddy says, but you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. Why don't have to notice and stare? You can cover it up with the trousers. Mr. Lamb says, some do, some don't. They get tired of it. In the end, there's a plenty of other things to stare at. Why they will look at my teen leg? There are many things in me. They can talk, they can look at my face, they can look at my eyes, they can look at my another body parts, but they are, why they will stare at my teen leg? And why? Some do and some don't. Daddy, like my face, like crab apples or the weeds or a spider climbing up a silken ladder or my tall sunflowers. You can see. Daddy, things, it's all relative, Beauty and the Beast. Daddy, what's the supposed to mean? You tell me. Daddy says, you needn't think they haven't all told me that fairy story before. It's not what you look like, it's what you are inside. So Daddy is totally frustrated or nervous with the people who always consoles or make a soothing comments on him that beauty resides inside, handsome is as handsome. What we will see in the next page, page number 60. Okay, just see next page. Yes, what handsome is as handsome does. So we people are not so conscious about the external activities or external beauty. The main beauty or the real beauty resides inside. Okay, that is character. Okay, Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him he changed into a handsome prince. Only he wouldn't do. He would have stayed a monstrous beast. It won't change. So whose dialogue is this? Daddy, what Daddy says? Daddy says the story which he has listened from many people about the Beauty and the Beast. Mr. Lamb says, in what way? No, you won't. In that way? No, you won't. Daddy says, and no one will kiss me ever, only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. Why should I like that? I don't care if nobody ever kisses me. So only my mother kisses on the other side of my face, not on the burnt side, and that's why should I like that? I don't care if anybody ever kisses me. Mr. Lamb says, but do you care if you never kiss them? They are not kissing you, that's okay, but you can kiss them. They are not having burnt faces, they are not having ugly faces like you. Daddy says, what do you mean? Mr. Lamb says, girls, pretty girls, long hair, large eyes, people you love. So you can kiss the girls, you can kiss the pretty girls, you can kiss those girls who are having long hair and large eyes and blue eyes and many beauties. People you love, you can kiss them. They are not kissing you, that's another thing, but you can kiss them. Daddy says, who would let me? Not one. Who can tell? Daddy, I won't ever look different when I am as old as you. I look the same. I'll still only have a face. Mr. Lamb, so you will, but the world won't. The world's got a whole face, and the world's there to be looked at. Daddy, do you think this is the world? This old garden? What do you think? Your garden is a world? Mr. Lamb says, when I am here, not the only one, but the world. So here I am, in the surrounding of the nature. So this is my world as much as anywhere. Daddy says, does your leg hurt you? Mr. Lamb says, this teen doesn't hurt. The people hurts. Boy, teen doesn't hurt. When it came off, did it? Suddenly. And Daddy, and now, I mean, where the teen stops? At the top? Mr. Lamb, now and then, in wet weather, it doesn't signify. Oh, that's something else. They all say, look at all those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves. A very interesting line said by Daddy. Daddy ने अपनी कहानियाँ जो उनको सुनाई जाती है, पहली कहानी उधर थी कि ब्यूटी अंदर रहती है, कैरेक्टर के मतलब हैंडसम चेहरे का नहीं होना चाहिए बल्कि एक्शन का होना चाहिए. और दूसरा कहानी है जो पीपल उन्हें सुनाया है वो that's something else that look at all those people who are in pain and brave and they never cry. So this is the story or the soothing lines from her mother. Okay, and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves. I haven't said it. Mr. Lamb ने कहा ये तो मैं नहीं कहा. You are telling me. Daddy says and think of all those people worse off than you. अब तो डैडी भी philosophical बातें करने लगा कि उनको देखो जो तुमसे गंदे हों, तुमसे कमतर हों. Don't look at the superior. You must see the inferior or the lower than you. Think you might have been blinded or born deaf or have to leave a wheelchair or a daft in your head. हो सकता है तुम पैदाइशी अंधे होते, पैदाइशी बहरे होते, पैदाइशी लंगड़े होते और बी अ डेफ्ट इन योर हेड एंड ड्रीवल या पागल पैदा होते. ओके, सो दिस could have been happen, but this is not the case. You are a very nice boy of 13 or 14 years and just you are having one side of your face burnt. Okay, so Mr. Lamb, and that's all true and you know it. It won't make my face change. Do you know? One day a woman went by me in the street. I was at a bus stop and she was with another woman and she looked at me and she said, whispered, only I heard her. She said, look at that. That's a terrible thing. That's a face only a mother could love. So this was the dialogue of a woman or a passerby. What was the dialogue? Look at that. That's a terrible thing. That's a face only a mother could love. Why only mother could love? Because that is her son. That's why. Okay. Mr. Lamb. So you believe everything you hear? Mr. Lamb says that if you will listen everything from the world, you will never be happy. So why you think that what you are listening and you are believing the same? Daddy says it was cruel. Mr. Lamb, maybe not meant as such, just something said between them. Daddy, only I heard it, I heard. Only I heard it and I heard. Mr. Lamb. And is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life? Oh no, I have heard a lot of things. So now you keep your ears shut. So Mr. Lamb's suggestion is that if you are listening a lot, if you are hearing a lot from the people, so please keep your ears shut. Don't look, don't listen to them. Just keep your ears shut. Daddy, you are peculiar. You say peculiar things. You ask questions. I don't understand. Peculiar. You are peculiar and you say peculiar things. So you are unique, really. Mr. Lamb, I like to talk, have company. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to stop here at all. The gates open. आपको लगता है कि मैं आपसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ? You can go. The gates open. I don't want to disturb anybody or I don't want to cause anybody trouble. Okay. Daddy, yes, but Mr. Lamb says I've a hive of bees behind those trees over there. Some hear bees and they say bees buzz. But when you listen to bees for a long while, they hum, and hum means sing. I hear them singing, my bees. कुछ लोगों के लिए भनभनाहट लगता है, बट मुझे तो वो गीत जैसा लगता है कि वो हमिंग करती हैं, and humming means singing. So they are singing in their own language. We are unable to understand. That's why we are telling that is buzzing. Those bees are buzzing. Daddy says, but I like it here. I came in because I liked it when I looked over the wall. Mr. Lamb, if you had seen me, you don't have to come in. Daddy says, no. Mr. Lamb says, no. Why no? Daddy, I would have been trespassing. Trespassing without informing, without permission, entering into someone's property or someone's field or someone's house. Mr. Lamb, that's only why. Daddy, I don't like being near people when they stare, when I see them being afraid of me. Mr. Lamb, you could lock yourself up in a room and never leave it. So this is a very interesting story. Just we have to complete it. Okay, you can see Mr. Lamb says, what Mr. Lamb says? You could lock yourself in a room and never leave it. There was a man who did that. So this is one of the very interesting story said by Mr. Lamb, that you could lock yourself in a room and never leave it, and there was a man who was, who did that, who did the same. And what happened? He was afraid. He was very afraid. You see, of everything. He was afraid of everything. Everything in this world. A bus might run over him, or a man might breathe deadly germs onto him, or a donkey might kick him to death, or lightning might strike him down, or he might love a girl and the girl would leave him, and he might sleep on a banana skin and fall, and people who saw him would laugh their heads off. So he went into this room and locked the door and got into his bed and he stayed there. Daddy, forever? Mr. Lamb says, no, only for a while. Daddy says, then what? What happened next? Mr. Lamb, a picture fell off the wall on his head and killed him. So this is very interesting story. If you are afraid of everything, so you can't do anything in your life. You must have risk. You must be fearless. You must be very risky. You must take risks in your life. Otherwise, you can't be or you can't have a good life. Okay. Mr. Lamb, you see, Daddy, but you still say peculiar things. Mr. Lamb, peculiar to someone. Yes, you are telling me that I am peculiar, I say peculiar things, but peculiar to someone. Daddy, what do you do all day? Mr. Lamb, sit in the sun, read books. Ah, you thought it was an empty house, but inside it's a full books and other things. Full. Okay. Daddy, but there aren't any curtains at the windows. Mr. Lamb, I am not fond of curtains, shutting things out, shutting things in. I like the light and the darkness and the windows open to hear the wind. To hear the wind? You can see, very interesting line. To hear the wind. Daddy, yes, I like that. When it's raining, I like to hear it on the roof. So when it's raining, I like to hear the rain also. I like to hear. I don't, here you can see the writer is using hearing for observing. So hearing means experiencing. Mr. Lamb, so you are not lost, are you? Mr. Lamb says, so you are not lost, are you? ऐसा नहीं है ना कि तुम खो गए हो. Not altogether. You do hear things. You listen. तुम भी तो सुनते हो. Daddy, they talk about me downstairs when I'm not there. What'll he ever do? What's going to happen to him when we have gone? However, will he get on in this world looking like that with that on his face? That's what they say. So who are they? They are parents. So what they are talking? They talk about me. They talk about downstairs. They talk in the downstairs when I'm not there. What will he ever do in his life? What's going to happen to him when we have gone? We have gone. We have, when we die. And however, will he get on this world looking like that with that on his face? That's what they say. So about parents, he's telling about the parents. Mr. Lamb, Lord boy, you have got 2 arms, 2 legs, eyes, ears, you have got a tongue and a brain. You will get on the way you want, like all the rest. And if you chose and set your mind to it, you could get on better than all the rest. Very nice line, very interesting, very motivational, very advisable, you can say. You have got 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, you have got a tongue and a brain. You will get on the way you want, like all the rest. And if you chose and set your mind to it, you could get on better than all the rest. Daddy says, how? Mr. Lamb, same way as I do. Daddy, do you have any friends? Mr. Lamb, hundreds. Daddy, but you live by yourself in the house. It's a big house too. Mr. Lamb, friends everywhere. People come in. Everybody knows me. The gate's always open. They come and sit here and in front of the fire in winter. Kids come for the apples and pears and for toffee. I make toffee with honey. Anybody comes, so have you. You can also come. Daddy, but I'm not having a friend. Daddy says, I'm not having a friend. I'm alone. I'm not having any friend. I'm friendless. Mr. Lamb, certainly you are. So far as I am concerned, what have you done to make me think you are not? कैसे हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा दोस्त नहीं, मैं हूँ ना तुम्हारा दोस्त. Daddy says, you don't know me, you don't know where I come from, or even what my name is. Mr. Lem, why should that signify? Do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filling box before you can be a friend? क्या दोस्त होने के लिए सारा डिटेल एक चैप्टर में एक कागज़ पर लिखना ज़रूरी है क्या? रजिस्ट्रेशन होना चाहिए क्या दोस्ती के लिए? Daddy says, I suppose not, no. Mr. Lamb, you could tell me your name if you chose and not if you didn't. अगर तुम्हें नहीं बोलना हो तो ना बताओ, बट वो बता देता है. बट आई हेट दैट डैडी. इफ माई फ्रेंड, इफ आई एम योर फ्रेंड, यू डोंट हैव टू बी माइन. आई चूज़ दैट. डैडी सेज दैट दोस्ती तो मैं करूँगा, बट यू डोंट हैव टू बी माइन. तुम मेरे नहीं दोस्त बनोगे, ठीक है ना. इफ़ आई एम योर फ्रेंड, मैं तो तुम्हारा दोस्त बन सकता हूँ, बट यू डोंट हैव टू बी माइन, ठीक है. आई चूज़ दैट. Mr. Lamb says, certainly, okay, no problem. Daddy says, I might never come here again. You might never see me again, and then I could still be a friend. मैं तो आऊँगा नहीं, मैं दोबारा तुम्हें देखूँगा नहीं, फिर भी क्या मैं तुम्हारा दोस्त रह सकता हूँ? Mr. Lamb says, why not? Daddy says, how could I? You pass people in the street, and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. It doesn't mean that they are not your friends. It doesn't mean that they are friends. It doesn't mean. You pass people in the street and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. It doesn't mean that they are friends. Okay, Daddy says. Next page, Mr. Lamb. Doesn't mean they are enemies. इसका मतलब ये भी तो नहीं है जिनसे तुम बातें करते हो तुम्हारे दुश्मन है. Either does it. Daddy, no, they are just nothing people. That's all. Mr. Lamb, people are never just nothing. लोग nothing नहीं होते. Never. People everything होते हैं. Daddy says there are some people I hate. Mr. Lamb, that do you more harm than any bottle of acid. Acid only burns your face, but hatred burns your life. So acid only burns your face. Acid only burns your face. Daddy says only. Mr. Lamb, like a bomb only blew up my leg. There's a worse things can happen. You can burn yourself away inside. If you are hating someone, if you are having hatred in your heart, so what you are doing, you are burning yourself. Daddy says, after I had come home, one person said he would have been better off stopping in there in the hospital. He would be better off with others like himself. And she thinks blind people only ought to be with other blind people, and idiot boys with idiot boys. You can see, this is a inclusive education में होता है कि बच्चों को एक जगह तालीम हासिल कराना, एजुकेशन देना, ठीक है. तो the blind people with the blind students, and there's handicapped students with the handicap. So deaf को deaf, blind को blind. इस तरह, so there are having many special kind of educations. Okay. So what they thought about me? They said that he would have been better off stopping in there in the hospital. हॉस्पिटल में ही छोड़ देना चाहिए. He would be better off with others like himself. उसको उन्हीं जैसे लोगों के साथ रख देना चाहिए. She thinks blind people only ought to be with other blind people, and idiot boys with idiots. She thinks. Who is she? Her mother. His mother. Mr. Lamb. And people with no legs altogether. Daddy, that's all right. Mr. Lamb says, what kind of a world would that be? Daddy says, at least there would be a nobody to stare at you because you are not like them. Daddy कहता है वो दुनिया ऐसी होगी जहाँ पे कोई किसी को नहीं देखेगा क्योंकि सब एक जैसे होंगे. Mr. Lamb, so you think you are just the same as all the other people with burned faces? You are just the same as all the other people with burned faces. क्या लगता है कि तुम्हारा burned faces है तो दूसरे लोगों के जो burned faces होंगे क्या वो और भी चीज़ें उनकी एक जैसी होंगी क्या? खाली burned faces ही तो एक जैसे होंगे, बाकी तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक अलग होंगे ना. Just by what you look like. Everything is different, everything is the same, but everything is different itself. Everything is different, first point, and everything is same, another point, but everything is different in differently or in different way you can say. Daddy, how do you make all that out? ये सारी चीज़ें तुम मुझे समझाओगे कैसे कि फेस बर्न्ड फेसेस तो होंगे सबके, बट उनकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अलग होंगे, उनकी बातें अलग होंगी, उनका कैरेक्टर अलग होगा. मिस्टर लैम सेज वॉचिंग, लिसनिंग एंड थिंकिंग. मैं इतनी अक्लमंद, इतनी बातें ऐसे इसलिए कहता हूँ बिकॉज आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग द पीपल, आई एम वॉचिंग द पीपल, आई एम लिसनिंग टू द पीपल, आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट द पीपल. दैट्स वाई. Daddy says, I would like a place like this, a garden. I'd like a house with no curtains. Daddy भी कहता है मैं तुम्हारी तरह बनना चाहता हूँ. Mr. Lamb, the gate's always open. आ जाना. Daddy says, but this is not mine. Mr. Lamb, everything is yours if you want it. What's mine in anybody's? जो मेरा है वो सबका है. Mr. Lamb says, what's mine is anybody's. Daddy says, so I could come here again. मुझे आना चाहिए. Even if you were out, I could come here. Mr. Lamb says, certainly. You might find others here, of course. Daddy, oh, Mr. Lamb, well, that needn't stop you. You needn't mind. अगर बाकी दूसरे लोग भी हों तो तब भी तुम आ जाना. Daddy says, it would stop them. They would mind me when they saw me here. They look at my face and run. जो तुम्हारे पास होंगे मुझे देखकर भाग जाएंगे. मैं कैसे आऊँगा? मैं नहीं आऊँगा. ठीक है, मैं नहीं आऊँगा. Mr. Lamb, they might not. हो सकता है वो भाग जाएं, वो नहीं भी भागें. You would have to take the risk. So would they? तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए? ट्राई करना चाहिए. Daddy says no. You might have me and lose all your other friends because nobody wants to stay near me if they can help it. कोई मेरे करीब नहीं आना चाहता. Mr. Lamb, I have not moved. मैं तो तुम्हारे करीब आया. Daddy says no. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा. I'm talking about the people. Mr. Lamb says, when I go down the street, the kids shout Lammy Lamb, but they still come into the garden to my house. It's a game. They are not afraid of me. Why should they be? Because I'm not afraid of them. That's why they are not. So don't be afraid of themselves. Daddy says, did you get your leg blown off in the war? Certainly. हाँ, जंग में मेरा पैर जो था वो blown off हो गया था. Daddy says, what Daddy says, how will you climb on a ladder and get the crab apples down? कैसे चढ़ते हो, कैसे तोड़ते हो? Mr. Lamb, oh, there's a lot of things I have learned to do and plenty of time for it. Years I take it steady. सालों लगे हैं मुझे सीखने में. Daddy says, if you fell and broke your neck, you could lie on the grass and die if you were on your own. अगर तुम खुद से ये सारा काम करोगे तो तुम्हें क्या हो जाएगा? तुम किसी दिन गिर जाओगे, तुम्हारा गर्दन मुड़ जाएगा और मर जाओगे. Mr. Lamb, I could. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Daddy says, you said I could help you. मुझे हेल्प करना चाहिए तुम्हारी. Mr. Lamb, if you want to. Yes, okay. Daddy, but my mother will want me to know where I am. It's 3 miles home across the fields. I'm 14, but they still want to know where I am. मैं 13 साल 14 साल का हो गया, but even today my mother always thinks about me and cares for me and always asks me where I have spent the hours or the time. Okay, so my mother is so concerned. My mother always asks the questions that where I'm spending the time or wasting the time. Mr. Lamb says people worry. Mr. Lamb says people worry. Daddy says people fuss. People जो होते हैं ना, बातें करते हैं, डरते नहीं है बल्कि वो बहुत काम बिगाड़ते हैं. फस, दे आर फस. द पीपल फस, इधर उधर की बातें करते हैं. ओके. मिस्टर लैम, गो बैक एंड टेल देम. जाओ और उन लोगों को बता दो. क्या बता दो? इट्स 3 miles, 3 मील दूर हूँ मैं. इट्स अ फाइन इवनिंग, यू हैव गॉट लेग्स. Daddy says, once I got home, they would never let me come back. जब मैं घर पहुँचूंगा, no one will allow me to come back to you. Mr. Lamb says, once you got home, you would never let yourself come back. Once you got home, जब तुम घर चले जाना, you would never let yourself come back. तुम अपने आप को रोक लेना, मत आना अगर वो नहीं आने देना चाहते हैं. Daddy says, you don't know what I could do. तुम नहीं जानते हो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. So this is the line where we can see, we can observe that a positive energy always distributes positive. So positivity is there in the life of Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb's attitude is totally optimistic, and that's why that optimism is coming into Daddy's life. What he says, that you don't know what I could do. This is the confidence arising in Daddy's heart. Mr. Lamb says, no, only you know that. सिर्फ तुम ही जानते हो तुम क्या कर सकते हो. Only you. Daddy says, if I chose, अगर मैं चाहूँ. Mr. Lamb, if you chose, I don't know everything. Boy, I can't tell you what to do. मैं तुम्हें नहीं बता सकता तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए. Daddy says, they tell me. वो मुझे कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? Mr. Lamb, do you have to agree? वो जो कहते हैं क्या ज़रूरी है तुम उनसे अग्री करो? Daddy says, I don't know what I want. I want something no one else has got or ever will have. Something just mine, like this garden. I don't know what it is. Mr. Lamb, you could find it. Daddy, how? Mr. Lamb, waiting, watching, listening, sitting here on or going there. I'll have to see the bees. Mr. Lamb कहता है ये सारी चीज़ें करना पड़ेगा. You have to wait, you have to watch, you have to listen, you have to sit, you have to go. Okay, and you have to see the bees. Daddy says, those other people who come here, do they talk to you, ask you things? Mr. Lamb, some do, some don't. I ask them, I like to learn. Daddy says, I don't believe in them. I don't think anybody ever comes. You are here all by yourself and miserable, and no one would know if you are here alive or dead or anybody cares. मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई तुम्हारा ध्यान रखता होगा. तुम यहाँ अकेले हो, कोई तुम्हें नहीं सुनने आता होगा. मिस्टर लैम, यू थिंक वॉट यू प्लीज़, तुम वही सोचते हो जो तुम्हें पसंद होता है. सो दैट इज़ योर ओन बिलीफ सिस्टम. आई कांट टेल यू वट टू थिंक एंड वट नॉट टू थिंक. डेरी सेज ऑल राइट देन टेल मी सम ऑफ देयर नेम्स. कुछ तो नाम बताओ, कौन कौन आता है. मिस्टर लैम सेज व्हाट आर नेम्स. टॉम, डिक, हैरी. सो वी हैव टू मेमोराइज द 3 नेम्स. टॉम, डिक, हैरी. टॉम, डिक, हैरी. टॉम, डिक, हैरी. गेटिंग अप, आई एम ऑफ डाउन द बीज. डेरी, आई थिंक यू आर डाफ्ट, क्रेजी. डेरी कहता है पागल हो तुम, अकल नहीं है तुम्हारी, डाफ्ट हो तुम. मिस्टर लैम कहता है दैट्स अ गुड एक्सक्यूज़. हाँ, ये एक बहाना है. डैडी, व्हाट फॉर, यू डोंट टॉक नॉनसेंस. तुम नॉनसेंस बातें नहीं करते क्या. मिस्टर लैम कहता है गुड एक्सक्यूज नॉट टू कम बैक. तुम बहाना बना रहे हो ताकि अगली बार तुम्हें नहीं आना पड़े. यू हैव गॉट अ बर्नड अप फेस एंड दैट्स अदर पीपल्स एक्सक्यूज़. ये दूसरे लोगों का एक्सक्यूज़ है कि वो लोग तुमसे डरते हैं या तुमसे बात नहीं करना चाहते हैं. दैट इज़ एक्सक्यूज़. Daddy, you are like the others. You like to say things like that. If you don't feel sorry for my face, you are frightened of it. And if you are not frightened, you think I am ugly as a devil. I am a devil, don't you? Don't you? I am evil, don't you think? Don't you think? सो यू आर लाइक द अदर्स. तुम भी दूसरे लोगों की तरह हो. यू लाइक टू से थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तुम भी उन्हीं की तरह बातें कर रहे हो. इफ़ यू डोंट फील सॉरी फॉर माई फेस, अगर तुम मेरे फेस के लिए सॉरी फील नहीं करते हो, यू आर फ्राइटेंड ऑफ इट, तुम डरे हुए हो. एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट फ्राइटेंड, यू थिंक आई एम अगली. अगर तुम डरे नहीं हो तो कम से कम इतना तो जरूर सोचते हो कि मैं एक डेविल जैसा अगली फेस रखता हूँ, ठीक है, जिससे कोई भी डर जाता है देख कर. मिस्टर लैम डज नॉट रिप्लाई. मिस्टर लैम कुछ नहीं कहता क्योंकि यहाँ पे काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट हो रहा है, इसीलिए. डेरी कहता है क्वाइटली, खामोशी से कहता है नो यू डोंट, आई लाइक इट हियर. पॉज. डेरी गेट्स अप एंड शाउट, चिल्लाता है आई एम गोइंग बट आई विल कम बैक. आई विल कम बैक, आई विल कम बैक. यू सी, यू वेट, आई कैन रन. आई हैवंट गॉट अ tin leg, आई विल बी बैक. आई haven't got a tin leg. This is a positive idea that yes, I am having another shortcomings or some problems. Okay, I haven't got a tin leg, that's why I can run fast and I'll be back. Don't worry about that. Okay. Daddy runs off. Silence. The sounds of the garden again. Mr. Lamb to himself, there are my dears. There my dears. ठीक है. That's you. Sin to. Ah, you know. We all know. I'll come back. They never do. Though not them. Never do come back. That's you. Sin to. You know. तुम्हें पता है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं लेकिन कह कर जाने के बाद नहीं आते. वी ऑल नो, हम लोग सब के सब जानते हैं. आई विल कम बैक, कि मैं वापस आऊँगा. दे नेवर डू, लेकिन वो कभी वापस नहीं आते. दो नॉट देम, नेवर डू कम बैक, नहीं आते. द गार्डन नॉइज इज़ फेड. और जो गार्डन का जो नॉइज़ था, जो बातें हो रही थी, जो नॉइज़ था इन दोनों की बात करने से, वह क्या हो जाता है, फेड हो जाता है. सिंटू के लिए आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो को देखें क्योंकि ये काफ़ी लंबी वीडियो हो गई है, ठीक है. सो लास्ट में मैं इतना कहूँगा, जस्ट लाइक एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स. This is very important video for your class 12th exams. So please, your examination is very near. Just watch this video, not once, twice, okay, and then just try to write the summary and show your teacher. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, you can just contact me. Okay, thank you very much.